Welcome students to today's session. We are going to venture into a new chapter in chemistry. Is matter around us pure? The title is very interesting. Now when we go to the market, we buy so many things like milk, ghee, butter, salt, spices, mineral water, juice, whatever interests us. Now it must be written on these packets that it contains 100% pure ingredients. Now, the word pure for a common man means that the material is not adulterated. It is containing all pure substances. But for a chemist or a person who is studying chemistry, this is inapplicable. For the person who is a chemist, a chemistry background person, the word pure means not free of adulterants, but the word pure means the substance consists of only a single type of particles or atoms. Now let us look into this lesson where we are going to find out the difference between such a pure substance and then mixtures. What and all I said as examples in the beginning are all mixtures. They are all mixtures of different components like milk is a mixture of water, fat, proteins. Similarly, all the substances mentioned are mixtures from the viewpoint of a chemistry person. So in this chapter, we shall study about what is really a pure substance and what is a mixture, what are the different types of mixtures. Now let us see how matter is classified. Based on the physical state, matter is classified into solids, liquids and gases. This we have already studied in our first chapter. On the basis of chemical composition, matter is classified into two main types. They are pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances can further be divided into elements and compounds. And mixtures are of two types. They are homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Let us study a flow chart of these things. Matter is classified into pure substance and mixtures. Pure substance is divided as elements and compounds. Elements are materials which are made up of a single type of atom. There are examples written over there. You see the difference. There are monoatomic elements, that means which contains only a single atom, and diatomic elements which contain two atoms of the same element. Compounds are examples water, CO, that means it contains more than one element in a fixed proportion by mass. You have here H2O, calcium oxide, hydrochloric acid. Now let us come into the division of mixtures. Mixtures are classified as homogeneous mixtures or heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures are mixtures which have got a uniform distribution where you cannot differentiate between the particles of the mixture. Heterogeneous mixtures are where the particles are larger in size and you can find their presence either by microscopic analysis or by visual analysis. Let us further study in detail about these subdivisions. Pure substances and mixtures. Pure substance is a substance which contains a single type of substance, element or compound. Example, iron, copper, hydrogen, oxygen, water, sugar, common salt, etc. A mixture is a substance which consists of two or more pure substances. Example, seawater, minerals, soil, air, sand, salt, sugar in water, salt in water, etc. Pure substances consist of single type of substance. Mixtures consist of two or more pure substances. Pure substance cannot be separated into other substances by physical method. Mixtures can be separated into its components by physical methods. Pure substance has its own definite property. Mixture shows the properties of its components. These are the differences between pure substance and mixtures. In mixtures, what are the different types? Let us look at the types of mixtures. Mixtures are two types. They are homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixture is which has a uniform composition. The particles of mixture are not visible to the naked eye. The particle cannot be separated by filtration. The mixture is stable. No particles settle down. The path of light or beam is not visible through the mixture. It's very important. This visibility is called the Tyndall effect. We will be studying about it in the next session. The path of beam of light is not visible in a homogeneous mixture. Examples are mixture of sugar and water, mixture of salt and water, mixture of copper sulfate and water, mixture of glucose and water. All these are examples of homogeneous mixture. There is another homogeneous mixture which is called as alloy. Alloy is a mixture of two or more metals or sometimes non-metals also. So when an alloy is formed, it is a homogeneous mixture. You cannot separate out the ingredients from an alloy. Let us look at heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture is a non-uniform composition mixture. The particles are visible by the naked eye. The particles can be separated by filtration. The mixture is unstable. That is, the particles can settle down. The path of beam of light is visible in a mixture. That means it shows Tyndall effect. Mixture of salt and sand, mixture of sulfur and iron filings, mixture of oil and water. These are examples of heterogeneous mixture. So with this, today's session is coming to an end. Hope you have understood the concepts. Please complete the work allotted. Thank you.